are going to show you yet another recipe from Bengali cuisine, that is chingri mach diye badakofir ghonto. So let's start with the ingredients first. I have one cabbage here. For tempering I have all the whole spices, that is 1 bay leaf, 1 dry red chili, panchforon, 1 cinnamon, 2 cardamom and 2 clove, ginger and green chili paste, some diced tomatoes, some diced potatoes, some green peas. I have used frozen peas here. So basically this is a chingri mach de badakofir ghonto. So I am using fried prawns which I have already marinated with salt and turmeric and kept for rest for at least 15 minutes. Then I have fried in mustard oil. Ghee, which we will be using towards the end. Mustard oil will be the medium of cooking. And here are all the spices: turmeric, salt, coriander powder, cumin powder, garam masala powder and red chili powder. Let's show you how to cut the cabbage for this particular recipe. First we will have to discard the first layer of the cabbage. Then we will cut them into thin slices or else shred them as fine as possible. As you can see, the cabbages are finely shredded. Now I have to steam it with a pinch of salt and turmeric in mustard oil. So as you can see, I have steamed the cabbage where the cabbage is 70 to 80% cooked, and here I have fried the potatoes with salt and turmeric powder. Now let's get started with the recipe. As you can see, I have put some mustard oil in the kadai and heated it, and I will be adding all the whole spices for tempering. After the flavor of the whole spices comes out, we will be adding ginger and green chili paste into it, and we will fry it for some time so that the raw smell of the ginger goes off. Now in goes the tomatoes. We will add a pinch of salt and cook it for some time. So till the time the tomatoes are softened, we will add a little bit of hot water. You can see the tomatoes are getting soft. Here we will add the slurry of the powder spices that I have shown you earlier in the video. With that, I will add sugar into it, but it's totally optional. If you don't want, you can skip it. And we will saute the masala till the time oil oozes out of it. After the masalas were sauteed, I have added cabbage, fried potatoes, peas and prawns into it. Now I have to cook it in low flame by covering with a lid for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Here we go. The cabbage is ready. The potatoes are also well cooked, as you can see. Now before turning off the flame, we will be sprinkling a little bit of garam masala, and along with that dollop of ghee. We will cover it with the lid and turn off the flame. Here our chingri mach de badakofir ghonto or cabbage curry with prawn is ready to be served. You can have it with hot steamed rice or roti as per your choice. Enjoy the dish and do let us know your feedback. Thanks for watching.